Grenfell was the tragedy, but fire safety on buildings was the problem. The tower was allowed to be covered in flammable materials. Today, at the inquiry, for the second time this week, an expert witness criticised the UK's building regulations, saying they're not fit for purpose when it comes to checking the safety of dangerous products like cladding.
The way in which they're used is too simplistic for the types of materials that we're talking about, so it's highly inappropriate.
Professor Torero is a fire safety expert from University College London. He's looked at how building products are tested. Usually, it looks something like this. Cladding products are put under a flame to see how they perform. But in the years before Grenfell, there was another controversial way. So-called desktop studies, where assumptions are made on computers, and this led to serious errors.
The people who were conducting them did not appreciate, one, the complexity of the problem, and two, the potential magnitude of the consequences of the mistakes. The necessary attention to detail was not placed in those studies.
The controversial stay-put policy was also criticised. That's when residents stay in a burning building waiting to be rescued. Professor Torero said this policy is almost unique to Britain and isn't practised by the rest of the world. His conclusion: we should get rid of stay-put.
Why stay-put strategy is not viable, not because the stay-put strategy necessarily represents an insurmountable level of risk, but it is more because we don't have a plan B.
Those who obeyed stay-put at Grenfell died. Rags Martel, ITV News, at the Grenfell Inquiry.